In this lecture, I am going to explain about operations on signals. So there are different operations that can be done on signals. First one is scaling of a signal. Scaling means here we are having two things. One is amplitude scaling and second one is time scaling. So in case of amplitude scaling, the name itself says amplitude will be multiplied. See here, if you take an example, x of k equals to 0, 1, 4, 2. If the mark is not being placed, default it will be here. Then amplitude scaling means it is like 3 into x of k. Then 3 into x of k signal will be like this here. Amplitude will be multiplied. Amplitude means 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 2, 6. So here the amplitude is being multiplied, 3 into x of k. At every instant amplitude is being multiplied by 3. So this is said to be amplitude multiplication, means amplitude scaling. Now second one is time scaling. Time scaling means here time will be multiplied, time axis will be multiplied. So time scaling means, let us take an example, see here. Here I am taking graphical representation. X of k with respect to k, for k equals to 0 it is some 1, for k equals to 2 it is some 2, for k equals to 3 it is some 4, for k equals to minus 1 it is minus 1, for k equals to minus 2 it is some 2. So this is the signal which I am taking. Now time scaling means, see here, now I am drawing x of 2k. That means, see here, the time axis is being multiplied by 2. See here, x of 2k means now time axis is being multiplied by 2. So x of 2k. Now how to draw this x of 2k signal from this x of k? See here. If for k equals to 0 means, see here, for k equals to 0 it will be x of 2 into 0, x of 0. Here x of 0 will be 1, so see here this will be 1. Now for k equals to 1, see here, if you put k equals to 1, x of 2 into 1, x of 2, x of 2 means, see here, what is x of 2? X of 2 is 4. So for k equals to 1 it is 4. For k equals to 2, if you put 2 here, x of 2 into 2, x of 4, there is no value for the here for x of 4, so that will be 0. 0 means, see here, 0 amplitude. For k equals to 3, if you put k equals to 3, x of 2 into 3, x of 6, there is no value for x of 6, simply 0. Simply again, if you put k equals to minus 1 means x of 2 into minus 1, x of minus 2, x of minus 2 means x of minus 2 value is 2 here. So for k equals to minus 1, here, if you put minus 1, it will be x of minus 2. X of minus 2 value is 2. So that is the value for k equals to minus 1 here for x of 2k signal. Similarly, if you put k equals to minus 2 here, x of 2 into minus 2, x of minus 4, there is no value for x of minus 4 here, so simply it will be 0. Again for k equals to minus 3, x of minus 6, there is no value here, 0. In this way we can draw the signal x of 2k. Means what is happened here? See here. So this is the signal for x of k. If you take the same signal which is being multiplied by time axis by some factor 2, now x of 2k means signal is here. So what is happened here? Signal is being compressed. Now for the same signal, if you take x of k by 2, see here, x of k by 2, here also time axis is being multiplied, here also time axis is being multiplied, but here it is k into 2, but here it is k by 2. How to draw this k by 2? Both these are time scaling signals. Now if you put k equals to 0, x of 0 means 1. If for k equals to 1, if you put k equals to 1, x of 1 by 2, and x of 0.5, that means for x of 0.5, there is no signal here, that is 0. If you put k equals to 2, x of 2 by 2, x of 1 value is 2. If you put k equals to, for 3, x of 3 by 2, x of 1.5, for x of 1.5 there is no signal here, that will be 0. If you put k equals to 4, x of 4 by 2, x of 2, for x of 2 it is 4. So this is the signal. If you put k equals to 5, x of 5 by 2, x of 2.5, x of 2.5 means 0, and so on. Similarly, if you come this side, if you put k equals to -1, x of -1 by 2, x of -0.5, for x of -0.5 there is no signal, so 0. If you put k equals to -2, for -2, x of -2 by 2, x of -1, for x of -1 it is -1, so -1. If you put k equals to -3, x of -3 by 2, x of -1.5, for x of -1.5 there is no signal over here, so it will be 0. If you put k equals to -4, x of -4 by 2, x of -2, for x of -2 it is 2, so in this way we can draw the signal. So what is happened here, by taking x of k by 2, by multiplying the time axis k by 1 by 2, this is the signal of x of k, this is the signal of x of k by 2. Signal is being expanded. So both these are comes under time scaling, and this is amplitude scaling. Next, the next operation is reversal. Reversal means the name itself says signal will be reversed about the imaginary axis. If you take an example, let us take u of k. So what is u of k? This is 1 for k equals to 0, for k equals to 1, 1, for k equals to 2, 1, for k equals to 3, 1. Sorry, it will be 1, and so on. Then u of minus k. So reversal of a sequence x of k will be x of minus k. Similarly, reversal of a sequence u of k will be u of minus k. So drawing the reversal of a particular signal means simply you are taking the mirror image of this signal about the imaginary axis. About the imaginary axis, mirror image means this signal comes over here. That means for -1 it will be 1, for -2 it will be 1, for -3 it will be 1, and so on. So this is the signal of u of minus k. Next, last one, shifting. So shifting means simply delaying the signal, delaying or advancing. In case of shifting, simply moving the signal from one place to one instant to other instant. That means in shifting there are two operations, delaying and advancing. Delaying means it will be delayed for some samples. Advancing means it will be advanced by some samples. See here. First I am taking the signal x of k. This is x of k. For k equals to 0, this is 1. For k equals to 1, this is 2. For k equals to 2, this is 3. For k equals to 3, this will be 1. For k equals to -1, this is 2. For k equals to -2, this will be 1. This is a signal which I am taking. Now if you draw the signal for x of k minus 2, see here, x of k minus 2 means here the signal will be delayed by 2 samples. X of k minus 2 means here the signal will be delayed by 2 samples. 2 samples means, see here, actually the signal is being started over here at k equals to -2, followed by -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now this should be delayed by 2 samples means actually we need to see from this direction. From this direction we are seeing means this should be delayed by 2 samples means instead of starting over here, it should be started over here. That means for k equals to 0, this should be 1. That means this signal should be shifted over here. 1, this should come here. For k equals to 1, this should be coming here. 2. For k equals to 2, 1. For k equals to 3, 2, 2. For k equals to 4, 3. For k equals to 5, 1. Simply, that means simply you are shifting this total signal by 2 samples. Shifting this total signal by 2 samples. So that means this signal comes over here. So this is said to be delaying the signal. If you take the x of k minus 3, then it will be delayed by 3 samples, like that. Alternatively, you can see it over here. If you put k equals to 0 here, it will be x of 0 minus 2, that means x of minus 2. So what is x of minus 2 here in case of x of k? X of minus 2 means 1. So that should be coming here for k equals to 0. In that way you can check. Next we will see advancing the signal, how the signal will be advanced. See here, this is k. Now I am taking x of k plus 2. So x of k plus 2 means the signal will be advanced. Advanced means, see here, now the entire signal should be shifted in this direction. That means if the signal is being shifted towards right direction, then it is said to be delay. If the signal is shifting towards left side direction, then it will be said to be advancing. Advancing the signal means how to draw x of k plus 2. So the entire signal now should be shifted towards left side by 2 samples. Means now for x equals to 1, this should be shifted by 2 samples in this direction. That means 3 come over here, 2 come over here, 1 come over here, like that. So for k equals to 1, it will be 1. For k equals to 0, it will be 3. It will be 3. For k equals to minus 1, it will be 2. For k equals to minus 2, it will be 1. For k equals to minus 3, it will be 2. For k equals to minus 4, it will be 1. See here. Now the total signal x of k is being shifted towards left side direction by 2 samples. So this is being shifted towards left side direction by 2 samples. So this is said to be advancing. That means if you are seeing from this direction, instead of starting from x of k equals to minus 2, this is being started from k equals to minus 4. That is why this is said to be advancing the signal. Alternatively, you can check in this way also. See here, for k equals to 0, it is x of 0 plus 2, that means x of 2. What is x of 2 over here? 3. If you want to check here, for k equals to minus 3, x of minus 3 plus 2 means x of minus 1. What is x of minus 1? 2. In this way also you can check it. So these are the operations. Scaling of a signal means amplitude scaling and time scaling, and reversal of a signal and shifting a signal. Thank you.